Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through exactly how to upload your resume on LinkedIn in 2025. So whether you are applying for a job or just want it visible on your profile, this tutorial is for you. Make sure that you stick around until the end so that you don't miss any of the right place to attach it. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you need to come on linkedin.com on your web browser, or you can also follow the same steps in the LinkedIn mobile application. Now, once you are here on this page, first of all, you need to hover over to the top and click on the jobs section. Here in your jobs tab, you will see the option of preferences. Now, once you click on preferences, you will see a bunch of different options further like my interest, my qualifications, my verifications, etc. So in the my qualifications section, you can see we have the resumes and application data option. So click on this option, and here this is the place where you can attach your resume. So click on the upload resume option, select your resume and then press open. Now remember that this can be a doc file, docx file, or a PDF file, and it should be under 5 MB. So once you are done uploading your resume, you need to simply click on this done option. Now here you will also see some further options like save resume and application data. So you can simply turn it on. If you want to share the resume data with the hirers, you can also turn this toggle button on and then click on the done option. So this way you will be able to upload your resume on LinkedIn. Now you will also have another option of uploading it on your profile. For that, come on the home page, then click on your profile in the left hand section. Over here, if you scroll down, you will see the section of featured, where you can basically click on the plus icon right next to it and upload your resume. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can drop them down in the comment section below, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.